Good morning, dear students. Today in this video I will show you some basic functions of MS Excel. In the previous class I told you about different types of data that we can insert in MS Excel file, how to create multiple sheets, and what are the difference between sheets and a workbook. Now in this video I will show you how to create a normal table in MS Excel, how to feed your data, and how to use the sum formula. For that, here as you can see, I created a format. In this I added some headings, that is serial number, name, class, roll number, and then subject names, that is English, Hindi, maths, science, computer, SST, and then a total heading for the total marks. Now I will insert some imaginary data. For inserting serial number, I will use the autofill function as I told you in the previous class. Let's see how it works. First we will enter number 1, then we will enter number 2. After that we will select both these cells, and then we will move the cursor at the right corner of the cell. As you can see a small plus sign, we will click on it and we will drag it. As you can see, the autofill option is working and we don't need to type each and every number. We just simply use autofill option to fill our serial numbers. After that I will insert some imaginary names. Let's insert a name of a student, suppose Aditya Singh. Again I will insert name of another student like Priyansh Gupta. In this way you can insert any imaginary name, or you can insert the name of your friends also. As you can see, like the size of the width of the cell is small as comparison to name. So for increasing the width of the cell, we will first select the whole column like this, and then I will move my cursor towards the side of that B column. As you can see this sign, this one, click it and drag it. By this way we can increase the width of any cell. You can increase the height of a row also. Select the whole row and you can drag it like this to increase the height of any row. Okay. After that we will insert class like 6A. अब आपने देखा कि मैंने 6A टाइप किया था, बट यहाँ पे तो टाइम शो कर रहा है 6 AM. इट इज़ बिकॉज कि ये जो कॉलम है उसका फॉर्मेटिंग एज अ टाइम हुआ है. मैंने टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा आप लोगों को लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ाया था ना, कि टेक्स्ट होता है, टाइम होता है, फॉर्मूला होता है. दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा विच वी कैन इंसर्ट. तो हमको इसका फॉर्मेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा, हमको इसके फॉर्मेट को टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में लाना पड़ेगा. For that we will select the whole cell and click on and use the right click of our mouse and then click on format cell. From here we will select on text and then click on OK. Again write 6A. अब आपका जो डेटा है वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. Let's insert some roll number. Like this, and then insert some imaginary marks like like this. Now we will use the sum formula for adding all these marks, for adding the marks of all these 6 subjects. We will click in this cell in the total. After that, use the sum formula, that is equal to sum SUM. Then open the bracket, normal bracket we will use. मैंने ये syntax आपको last class में भेजा था sum formula का. Open the bracket, select the range of cells which you want to add. Like I want to add 45 to number 80, that is from English to SST. So I will select the range of cells which I want to add like this. Then close the bracket and press enter key. As you can see, the total marks is reflected under the total heading. Again use sum column, sum formula for adding the marks of Priyanshi Gupta. Use equal to SUM sum, open bracket, select the range of cells, close your bracket and press enter. By this way, you can use sum formula in your MS Excel file. So your task of the day is create the imaginary data of at least 10 students in your computer or laptop and then add their marks. Click a picture and send it to me. This is your practical homework for today. See this video very carefully. It will help you to learn MS Excel and it will help you to understand chapter number 6 also. So bye students, take care.